Okay, find all times in the interval at which the particle changes direction. Okay, the particle changes direction when the velocity changes sign. Because the positive or negative of the velocity tells me which way the particle is moving. Got to pay attention to the time interval here. We're now 0 to 5. Earlier we were only 2 to 4. So I grab my calculator and I plot the velocity now. So here's the velocity, y1. y1. Here's my velocity plot with the window of 0 to 5. And there are 2 times when the velocity changes from being negative to positive and then back to negative. Therefore, I simply note those times. But again, remember, you've got to have this statement. You're looking for when the velocity is 0. This keeps showing up in problem after problem. Get used to writing it. V of t is 0 at this time and this time. 1 point. Supposed to justify our answer. This is the easiest 2 points on the test. If you have a hard time remembering how to write that so that you get both points, look at your golden notes. Look at the back side of sheet 1. And there's a whole section here about particle moving along the x-axis. No guarantee, but highly likely you'll find exactly the box you need, and you can just get used to following that box. It's this one here, though it's a combination, because it was changing direction, not just, I guess, no, that's the same thing. This is exactly it. It's just had 2 different times instead of just 1 time listed. So that's the box you needed. Back to here. So 3 total points for part C. It's a good example of the easy questions are not always part A. This one, part C, had a really easy 2 points. That's why you always want to keep moving. Make sure you are reading and writing.